Have you ever dreamed of creating your own college football team? Well, today I am going to show you how to make that dream a reality in College Football 25. Let's dive in the Team Builders feature where you can design your very own school from scratch. First, grab your computer and head over to the favorite browser. Search for the Team Builder College Football 25 and click on the official EA link. Make sure your game is closed before starting this process. Once on the site, log in to the EA account and hit the Get Started button. Once you are in the Team Builder interface, it's time to get creative. Start by filing out your school's information. School name, choose a unique name. Location, enter the city and state. Logos, you can select from existing logos or upload your own custom design. Remember, logos must adhere to a specific guidelines. Next up, choose your team's color. You can select primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. If you want something unique, click the plus signs to create custom shades, then decide on an apparel brand. Option includes Adidas, Nike, or Under Armour, and pick a font for your jersey. Now it's time to design your uniform. This section allows you to choose jersey styles, colors that reflects your team identity. Be sure to think about how your uniforms will look on the field. Don't forget about your home turf. You can customize various aspects of your stadium including sideline options and end zone pattern. Make this place where fans will love to cheer for their team. Finally, choose your playback and customize player ratings if you want specific strength for your team. You can either adjust each player's stats individually or select presets that fit your vision. And there you have it. With these steps, you are ready to create an exciting new team in College Football 25. Dive into Dynasty mode with your custom creation and make history on the field. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Now get out there and build that championship winning team.